Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat żar il-kumpanija Betsson, kumpanija kbira tal-gaming f'Malta li fil-jiem ta' qabel l-elezzjoni ġenerali xterdu għajdut li setet titlaq minn Malta. Xi ħaġa li l-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat kien ċaħat mal-ewwel, tant li qal li wara li jsir Prim Ministru jmur jieħu kafè mal-kap eżekuttiv tal-kumpanija biex jibgħat sinjal ċar dwar il-ġejjieni ta' Betsson f'pajjiżna. Fil-fatt, hekk għamel. F'taxbiex iltaqa' ma' Betsson li qal li f'Malta l-kumpanija għandha l-aħjar ambjent biex tkompli taħdem.
We have denied that. We like Malta. We continue to invest in Malta. Obviously, like all companies, we also invest in other countries and we grow elsewhere, but we have no imminent plans to move out of Malta.
Ma setax jonqos is-sodisfazzjon min-naħa tal-Prim Ministru li fi ftit saljem ra waħda mill-gidbiet tal-kampanja elettorali tisfuma fix-xejn.
And we look forward to many more years of input of Betsson in our economy, and we're extremely positive and glad with the results and the confirmation that Ulrich gave me today, which we had also given me in a private manner last week, but we're here today.
Però f'taxbiex Joseph Muscat kellu wkoll aħbarijiet xi wassal. Hemm iktar kumpaniji li jridu jiġu Malta u talbu li jkunu liċenzjati f'pajjiżna.
It's not only business as usual, but it's more than that. We look forward to many more investments in this area, and there will be more announcements. The regulator tells me at least 2 other applications are on the way of major players, so we look forward to welcoming more players to this wonderful cluster where Betsson are a key leader.
F'Malta Betsson tħaddem aktar minn 1000 impjegat u fix-xhur li għaddew apparti l-uffiċini f'Taxbiex fetħet uffiċċju f'San Ġiljan. Fattur li jinkoraġġixxi li l-kumpanija tkompli topera minn Malta hija l-għada ekonomika b'saħħitha li għandu pajjiżna.
And the current trajectory Malta is on is pretty good. And what's good for Malta is normally good for Betsson and vice versa.